Capricorn, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting the week of 7th Feb. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch the roles if you want. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign that I'm doing this video for. Now let's quickly begin. What I see for you here is you have the Page of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, and the Knight of Swords. Your person has the Hierophant, the Judgment card, and the King of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I have the Three of Pentacles, which means both of you have to work as a team in order to go ahead and make sure that this relationship works for both of you. Okay, so that's what the energy is right now. Now, what I see for you for this particular week, Capricorn, is you have the Page of Swords energy. Okay, so you have a very childlike energy where there's something that you want to communicate, and what you want to talk to this person is very childish. It will come out in the form that you have not planned this particular conversation that you want to have with them, but that's what your intention is. You want to go ahead and tell them something that maybe deep down you have it with you for quite some time and you've been planning to share it with them. Now, what I also see is you have the Two of Pentacles. Now, there's a very small chance that there is something that you got involved with. Okay, it could be with another person, because Two of Pentacles means somebody who is checking and evaluating out of two options which option works for them. Okay, now it could be a job, it could be a person, it could be any situation or a family situation as well. So that's what you're trying to go ahead and do, and that's the situation that you are in, and you want to have a communication regarding that situation with your person. Now, how you plan to do this conversation is in the Knight of Swords energy. You want to just rush in like the knights. Okay, you want to rush in, have that conversation and walk out. Okay, so it's not a very planned approach that I see from your end. What I see for your person is they have the Hierophant, the Judgment card, and the King of Cups. Now, the Hierophant is a very committed energy. So this person was definitely very committed, very grounded and stable. And at one point in time, they maybe got to know something. Okay, and it could be that their intuition was telling them something. Okay, that something was happening, and that's where they opened this third eye and got to understand what was actually happening behind the scenes, and they have understood that maybe they have a lot of love for you, but if you or the other person, so like I say, please go ahead and switch the roles. If the other person has a lot of love and that's a genuine love and they want to take it to the committed energy, but they get to know that you are going ahead and exploring the world and you're not serious about this, then there will be a lot of a lot of heartbreak, a lot of mistrust between the two of you. So my advice to you is, any person, either parties who's going through this situation, have a very open conversation with the other person. It's always best to go ahead and do this instead of breaking somebody's heart. Okay, now let's go ahead and take one card here to understand the intention of this person. The intention of this person is the Page of Wands. Okay, this person wants to start fresh with you. That's their intention, but the Wands is an energy where it shows that they are very passionately connected to you. They want that passion, they want that physical things which will go ahead and ignite them and ignite their passion. That's all I see from them. There's no love, there's no emotion that I see from them, at least for this particular week. I'm not seeing that from this person. Spirit, can I have one more card here to understand why this is the intention of this person? Can I take one more card here? Yeah, you have the Justice card. Okay, now when the Justice card comes, it is possible that either they are involved in a court case and they did not tell you about this. Okay, they want to balance the scale now and have a conversation about this with you and start fresh. Okay, but if that's the case, okay, my advice to you is go slow, don't rush in with this particular person. Okay, understand what the situation is and only then take a step forward. Spirit, can I have one more card here to understand why we have Justice? Can I take one more card here, please? Yes, if you see over here, we again have the Knight of Swords, we have the Knight of Swords. This person definitely wants to rush in and talk to you, okay? So you can expect some kind of communication coming to you, which will be really fast-paced communication. You will not be expecting it. So you can expect a phone call, a Snapchat message, an SMS, something on those lines. But this person will go ahead and tell you a couple of things that maybe you didn't know about them, okay? And I want you to have a very open mind when you have that conversation with them. Now let's also take one card here to understand, what is the Archangel's message for you. And we'll also take a crystal that can help you in this situation. So let me take one card here. Okay, so let's take one card here to understand what is the message for you. The crystal that I see for you is Dunbarterite. I will go ahead and put it in the description box for you. The crystal message is, are you able to imagine your life asking help from the divine? Are you seeking inner peace? It is time to acknowledge that you have the ability to hear, sense, or know information and guidance from angel and spirit guides. Realign and develop your spiritual awareness, objectively observe patterns and behaviors, and shift. The message for you is from Archangel Raziel, which I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. Now that's all I have for you today, Capricorn, for this weekly reading. If you like the content of the video, like, share, subscribe. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.